I have a lot to get off my chest right now because I'm tired of like people not understanding it. I mean, the beauty is the beauty in like Japarashi. Wait, if I is that annoying? I'm angry. I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off at the fucking world. You know. Let me drink some more of this shit. When I deconstruct myself and rebuild myself, I just want to be treated seriously as a comedian. No, because, you know, like, what is a reflection but just shadow? I'm a reflection of the light and I'm also shadow. Whoa. If I drink this bottle of wine, like, in my head I have 1,000 women. That's my fucking problem because... Every now and then there's a couple of women that kind of just fucking with you all. I realize I'm a comedian.
What are we watching?